Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to share about the Alaya AI. This is going to be next profitable thing. This is cooperation with Turkey. Yes, this is cooperation with Turkey. I am also going to share Alaya AI, how it works, what is the gameplay, how you will buy their token, everything is going to be shared in this video. If you are new on my YouTube channel Crypto Sonic, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notification. Let's get together in this project. Let's get started. Yes, Alaya AI, where cooperation is with Turkey. Now you can check out that this is also an airdrop. Alaya AI, there you can find how they are going to providing AGT airdrop on the OKX wallet. There you can find, and you can also be one of them. There you will find a best opportunity. If you will participate, you can check out OKX website giveaway. As entrance link have been given, you have to follow them on their Twitter. You have to check out their community on Telegram as well as on the chain. Complete this task and play the game successfully. You can also be participant on this gameplay. I will also provide a link in my video of Alaya AI. So here you can also find about the Alaya AI. So guys, you have to participate into their airdrop that is going on, and there you can also find everything all about Alaya AI, what is this and how you will participate. I am going to share in this video. The future of AI is here and it is decentralized. Yes, AI is open, composable, fueled by Web3 incentives. Alaya AI is the leading this revolutionizing by redefining how AI model access with high quality data through community driven incentive based ecosystem. There is trusted industry leaders who are working with such a big project, and not only this one. You can easily find out that there is also mean for you. Mean here you can check out that there you can work for AI to work its best. It's need huge amount of high quality data, but a traditional too. Mean you can join it for ourselves. There is a swarm intelligence system Alaya AI providing tailored data sampling. Yes, Alaya AI transformed the data collection into a distributed, open, incentive-driven process. It enable business developer, even individual, to contribute and access AI data training, creating a fair incentive Web3 ecosystem that you can also play in your mobile phone too. This is also a gameplay I am going to share in this video. And using the reinforcement learning with human like in feedback and human in the loop precision sampling Alaya AI enhancing. There you can find about the AI model accuracy while ensuring the contributor are fairly rewarded by their efforts. And not only this one, there is also open data platform. That's why now let's break it down. How does Alaya AI actually work? Think of it. It is decentralized data marketplace where user and businesses and developer can interact and exchange AI training data with built-in incentive. Higher is the different participant profit. There you can find about there is data contributors. Anyone can earn the reward by contributing their idle data time and collection. Businesses can access diverse datasets by customizable reward structure and auto-label AI data. Alaya AI uses the auto-labeling data too. Yes, there's auto-labeling data. Mean there you can also find about how they're going to customize data. Alaya AI uses the data auto-labeling technology, reducing the time and cost for model training. The best part, everything is on it about this is working on the chain and off chain, ensuring the security, transparency, and accessibility for every participant. This composable of AI infrastructure means anyone from small developer to large enterprises can plug into Laya AI system and benefit from sustainable AI data supply. So there you can also find image labeling. There is also next native AI function is about audio analysis, autonomous driving. All this can be done on the LI because this is going to be used in the global data communication into custom Web3 data pools, specialized data pools, and auto labeling toolset. If you want to know what the team has been decided, what they are trying to do, each and everything is now available in their milestone type. This is also a milestone where you can find what is decided, how they are going to making in a real. Yes, this is also a roadmap, so you can also check out how basically this is going to work. This is also one of the important thing that you have to work, and you have to analyze it for such a big profit. There is also become the knowledge provider. You can also get it at the heart of Alaya AI ecosystem is AGT token, native utility token that empower the platform. But what make it so valuable? You have to search on this platform. If you want to participate in their data that is also working on such a big platform, there is AGT Airdrop in which you can participate 2 lakh USDT worth of AGT Airdrop where you can participate. There is also mean part number of participants who already have been put like interest, and there is also guest. You have to follow them on their social media link on their Twitter. You have to follow it for upcoming details and upcoming videos too. But if you want to follow, then you have to also follow them on their social media link. Everything is now available on their social media link. You just need to come, and you can also check out their complete the certification task, and you have to train the function. In this way you can also participate, and you will grab a next huge reward. What if I tell you here, not only this one, you can also read about their social media link, about their white paper, how basically this is working, what are the core features. Everything is now available in their task NFTs. And there is also AGD token, that is the native token, Alaya AI, that is working for the gaming too, as well as there is also gaming as NFTs version 2. If you want to play the game, there is also an option where you have to register your account, and for that you can also put your email, and here you have to click on the send option. A code will be sent to your email that you have to receive, and after that you have to get on the place. With that email you have received, you have to wait, and as you will receive the code, you can also write here, yes, my code is 669 and 242. We have to click on the login, and it will be successfully completed. In this way you can also complete your login, and then you have to come again. There you can also find what are the games that we are going to play. This is the interface where you can check out the normal level 1, level 2, and so on. Here is also a complete efficiency, capacity, and peer profile. If you want to complete the task, you have to click on the start one. There is also how it is going to work. You have to put your answer like it is 3FT and what you think. You have to click on the next. There you have to select and read about your feedback has been taken. Your account will be traced to your update, and what recent limit is being processed. So it is also going to be share with you. So be ready, and you have to join it, and then you can also give, and after the reading statement you can go ahead. And next you have to complete all these questions. As much as soon you will complete, there will be also next option that if you are on the wrong question answer, you have to put the right answer one, and then you have to click on the submit. There you can check out that this is now my score, and there will be some reward I have given. And here you can also check out your profile. You can come on the profile as marketplace where different items are going to be used, AI zone, where you can get the different boards that will give you some extra reward. You can also copy the invitation link and spread it out, so you can get 8% of trading, and there will be 5% task commission. So I hope you have cleared, and how much you will grab. There will be a complete option to you, and you can follow them on their social media link. I have already given a complete link in my video. Thanks for watching. See you soon in next one.